Welcome to the second lesson from Salsa Beginner's Course. In today's lesson, we prepared for you a very interesting step. We call it the underarm turn. I'll be demonstrating for you the man's part, so gentlemen, make sure to follow up with me. Gentlemen, the underarm turn basically is designed for the ladies. However, you have a big role in this. All what you need to do is raise your hand up, and that's her signal for her to do the turn. And now, if I'm gonna take an open dance position and I will demonstrate the man's part, it goes something like that. I'll do one basic first. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, what does that mean? On count of 3, I raise my hand. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. When I'm doing the back step, at the same time, she's doing her turn. So it goes one more time for the gentleman. I'll be demonstrating from this side. I go 1, 2, up, 5, 6, together. And when you come back together, that's the time where she already did her turn and she's back to facing you. And that's all what you need to know about the underarm turn for the man's part. Now let's see the ladies' part.
And now, ladies and followers, we're going to be doing underarm turn for you. As you already know, we're always starting back with the right leg. So I'm going to do half a basic step, turn, turn, together. One more time, I'm going to do it with a count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to demonstrate from different angles, and I'm going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now let me break it down so you understand what's going on during that step. I'm starting back with my right. I'm doing half a basic step. 1, 2, together. My left is free. I'm going to step forward, forward, back, together. So it's very important that we understand the directions. I'm stepping half a basic step back, back, forward, together, turn, turn, together. So it's a half a turn. One more time. Half a basic together, forward, back, together. Very important part is that we all the time changing weight and we don't spin. So there is no spin. It's a basically walk around turn. I'm doing right, left, right, left, right, left. I'm gonna a little bit exaggerate the step. I'm gonna lift my step, march, okay? So then you can see it better. I'm gonna do right, left, right, left, right, left. I hope that was helpful. You can practice this action a couple of times. And now let's try with a partner.
And now let's go ahead and try it with our partner. Now, what we need to have is the open dance position, because it makes it much easier for you gentlemen to give the signal, and it's much bigger space for the lady to do her turn. So we're gonna be doing a 1, 2, 3. So that's how much I'm gonna raise my hand. I don't need it higher than that or lower. I need it to be clear for her, and at the same time I'm releasing this hand so she knows that I'm gonna give her the underarm turn. So one more time. At the same time, I do 1, 2, 3. I drop this hand and I continue with my basic while she's turning around and she faces me, and we can all the time repeat 5, 6, 7. And now when it comes to the count, the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And make sure that your steps are really small, because usually on the salsa parties, dance floors, it's always crowded, and that's, you don't want to hit anyone or anybody else to hit you with their feet. The second point is to be able to catch up with the music no matter what the speed would be.
Now, ladies, let's go through some basic aspects of dancing salsa with a partner. First of all, while we're dancing in an open dance position, make sure that when we do the turn, we don't grab the hand. So I don't want to like hold my partner and then get stuck around. I actually want the hand to basically comfortably rotate and then comes back. So this is very important.
And at the same time, the gentleman hand, you don't want to grab your lady and force her to turn. All what you need to do, you change from this position into just open your palm and keep connected. It's almost the fingers only touching each other while she's doing the turn.
And very important part is that we always need to be physical, visual when we dance salsa. That means I'm actually paying attention to my partner, what he's doing. So that's how I recognize that's the underarm turn. Because we can dance just basic step, and for me the signal is raising the hand and dropping another one.
So basically you need to pay attention also to your partner while you're dancing. So it's very important to keep connection with the eyes. So you look at your partner, it goes vice versa. So the lady should be able to read your signals, and for you also to make sure that you're leading her in the correct direction.
And now we're going to be demonstrating two steps blended together in two different dance positions, the open and the closed dance position.
So we're going to be starting with the rotated basic. It goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. When it comes to the hand, just relax them, even though you don't need to move them at all. You can always just relax both of your hands. And then, for example, I want to give her a signal. She goes to the underarm, and I continue my basic. So, gentlemen, make sure do not stop while she's doing her turn. Make sure you continue dancing while she's doing the turn as well. And when it comes to the arms, make sure you relax and just have fun with it. And now let's give it a try with the closed dance position and see how it's gonna go. So we're having 3 points of contact, relax your shoulders, and we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. You see, I always rotate my basic. I don't want to face the same wall the whole night. And it goes, few turns, and 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that's, ladies and gentlemen, how you'll be able to blend rotated basic in salsa with the underarm turn. And now let's combine everything with the music. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed today's lesson.
Ladies, make sure to practice your underarm turn as well. Please click for another dance video when you're going to be learning crossbody lead.
Until then, get up and practice, and see you in the next video.